In this video, you will learn Yardi, how to do a work order tutorial. Log into Yardi, sign into your Yardi software account using your authorized property management credentials. Access the work order module. From the main dashboard, navigate to the maintenance or work order section. Create a new work order. Click on the new work order and enter the necessary details such as the property, unit, tenant and description of the issue. Assign the work order. Select the member of staff or vendor or maintenance technician responsible for completing the task. Set priorities and schedules. You can choose urgency levels as well, such as setting it for high, low or medium, and schedule an expected completion date or time frame. Save and track your progress. Save the work order, then monitor updates, completion notes and cost until the task is complete. Now you know, work order tutorial on Yardi software. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.